Isabel A. Raya. We're going to make homemade ice cream.
What is the science involved in making homemade ice cream?
The science involved in making homemade ice cream is called freezing point depression. It occurs when the freezing point of a liquid is lowered by adding another compound to it like salt.
How did we make the ice cream shaker?
We made use of a reusable plastic container from my mom's baking supplies.
What made our ice cream tasteful?
Aside from the ingredients, we use the shaking action keeps the ice cream mixture moving so it freezes evenly.
What makes this activity very fun for us?
We can make homemade ice cream without buying from a store, and we can also add other ingredients for a variety of flavor.